Welcome to our tiny room. We are in the interior Stateroom Plus, so we're gonna give you a little tour of it, and by little, I literally mean little. This is room 9401. So basically this outside part is more like a square than a rectangle. It still has the two twin beds that are put together to make a king. And instead of the regular standard interior room, there's usually like a couch here. It's just a chair, and it's got this little table here. So where we're missing the square footage is actually in the closet here. So this closet has a little vanity, nicely lit up, cute little chair. I make a huge mess when I get ready, so we can keep a room clean and then have this whole area be messy. Walk-in closet. Usually this is just a little door that would open up, have lots of storage here. These little baskets. Ooh, that's creaky. We could throw stuff in there. We'll see. Ow! Is this a fridge?
We got a fridge?
Little fridge.
Hey, mini fridge.
Little mini fridge there. The rooms do come with a blow dryer. Thank God, because I didn't bring mine. Nice safe. Thing I do want to say is if you are sleeping and you hear like a crickety noise like this, all night long, you're like, what is that? It's your hangers. Take them off. This happened on our first ship, and I had to call, and I was like, there's something making a noise. It's hitting. It was driving me crazy, and it was the hanger, so don't make that mistake. I've seen people comment on like the cruise groups, and they're like, there's a constant noise. It's the hangers. But anyway, so yeah, it is a short little room here, but a bigger closet, so I don't know. We did a guaranteed stateroom, so this is what we got, and I'm fine with it. It's something different. And then there's the bathroom. The difference of this bathroom compared to other ships is the shower is longer instead of a circle. And I think all of them on Icon are this big. It's not just this room. Literally both in the shower right now. I feel like this usually can't happen. It's so small. So I think it's skinnier, but it's longer. Storage here, we honestly never use. It does have a dual hair and body wash. So I do my own plug. Yeah, I mean, I just like barely turned it on. And, oh yeah, that's plenty. We are good. We are good. I like that there's a seat in here though.
I do too. Because we're 90 years old.
I know.
I like it. Do some morning lights in here, which is what I think we have.
Okay.
We can do some evening lights. You can see it dims a little bit.
I like that, so it's not like so.
We can do movie lights. We need one of these in our house.
Yeah.
It's sweet. Then you can do sleep lights, which you can probably guess what that is.
Well, I turn these on though.
Go back to morning. Really cool.
Yeah. Okay. Turn it down. So there is a USB plug over by the TV. No plug over here. Yeah, and then the regular plug here. And then another USB. Little hangers here for your bags. A lot of people bring the metal hooks. I think if you're a more organized person than what we are, so you can get like little metal hooks and then you can hang your bathing suits to dry and you know, whatever, but we always just put them in the bathroom or on the balcony if we have it.
Are you happy that we're here? What's your true feelings on this?
Like on the ship? On the room.
Do you like the room?
I don't mind the room. I think it's nice to be in something a little bit different. I think what I'm really gonna like about this room is that we can make a mess in there and then this area can be clean. That's gonna make me feel better. Just like we're like digging through and trying to find stuff. So I like that that's all separate. And then if you wanna take a nap, I think it's nice. Does this have a door?
I don't think so.
Oh, but if you wanna take a nap, then I can be getting ready in here, and at least it's not like I'm right next to you, like with the lights on and everything. Like we could turn the lights off out here and I can have the little light out on the vanity. So that's nice. What do you think?
No, I'm happy with it. I think it's gonna be nice to sleep in here.
All right, well, that's the room. Do you wish we upgraded?
No, I am very satisfied. When we first came in the room, I was a little disappointed just because of how small.
It was shocking.
Yeah,
actually.
like it's very small coming in, but now we've been in here for like 20, 30 minutes.
Used to it.
Totally fine with it.
Yeah.
Like we will not use it a whole lot. We're going to be out and about, so this room.
I am too. Okay, can we talk about how much we spent on this cruise ship real quick?
We spent a total of
$2,500.
$1,100. $2,500? Are you kidding?
$2,500 for the cruise fare for 2 people for an interior guaranteed room.
$1,100 for the drink package.
Yes.
So we're almost at 4 G's. What is it? 3,600.
Yes, and then with our airfare, which was $500.
Yeah.
So this was our most expensive cruise, but actually it's crazy because when I was looking up prices for Icon, this was the best price. Not heard of.
Out of this world.
Out of this world. So I booked it, and we could have did, I think it was like 400 more for, or 500, I think it was 500 for a balcony. And I was just like, I just know that. So when we went on Oasis, we had a balcony, and when it was just me and you, we didn't use it enough, I don't think, for $500. Like my parents would like, they need the balcony. Like they get their coffee and they have breakfast, and like they're more like relaxed, where like we just can't sit still. So we're just like,
we don't utilize the room service. Like if we use room service more, then it'd be worth it.
I mean, do you always want the balcony? Yes. Do you want to pay for it? No. It's like the start of hurricane season. Oh, can we talk about the hurricane? Let me get out of the bathroom. It's the start of hurricane season, and or I guess it's kind of mid-hurricane season. It's the start of August. We've been on cruises at the end of August, and they have been just fine. And that's probably why this cruise was a little bit cheaper, because it's getting into hurricane season. But usually we have no effects of it, and flying in, a lot of people did miss their flights if they were coming from like the East Coast, like by New York. We were perfectly fine from Michigan, and we got to Miami, no problem. Or actually we flew into Fort Lauderdale. But they did change the entire itinerary, which I'm fine with because I'm here for the ship. If you're booking it for the ports, just know, especially if it's during hurricane season, that might change. So we were supposed to go to St. Kitts, St. Thomas, and Coco Cay, and they changed it to Honduras, Cozumel, and Costa Maya, and then also Coco Cay. So thank God they didn't take off Coco Cay, because that's always like a good port to go to. We've done both itineraries before, so to me it didn't make a difference. I could see people being mad or upset if it's like you've never been to St. Thomas or St. Kitts and you're really looking forward to it, but we've been there and everything's beautiful. I mean, we're on vacation. And then I was gonna book this itinerary, but it was more money. Did I tell you that?
No.
Yeah. Like when I was looking, I was like, I like St. Thomas is gorgeous. Like we've been here and did this before, but I really liked Costa Maya, but it was more money, so I didn't. But we got it.
Let's go.
Yeah, so we got it.
I didn't know that.
But we're gonna be traveling like across the water, and a lot of people say it's more rocky when you do that.
What does that mean?
Like,
don't we always travel across the water?
Yeah, but like
break
when
it
you're
down.
coming from like the end of Florida and you're only going to the Bahamas, you're going really slow and you're like barely going far at all.
Oh, so we're gonna be booking it.
So we're going
it's gonna
from
be a
Miami all
rockin'.
the way to Mexico. You go like across like an open water where like the Gulf meets the Atlantic. And I'm probably saying this completely wrong, but I feel like when we did that before, it was more rocky. And we were on the Oasis, and it was like, remember, we could feel it.
Oh yeah.
We went out by the aqua theater.
The only time that we've really felt it.
Yeah, and that was that same itinerary. So they do say online, which this is our first time on the ship, that the Icon, you can feel the rocking more, because I think it's so like tall, and it's still really wide, but like it's just different than the Oasis. If you like look at the back of it, you can see like how I could see it. So we will keep you updated.
Yes.
So far I love it.
Me too.
I'm really excited. So
I mean, it's very small, smaller than any room we've been in.
yeah.
But I mean, we're never in our room, so all we do is sleep in here, get ready. So I think for me, it's totally fine. For you, you don't have like the long spot to sit down on, but I guess you can right here.
Yeah.
Get ready. That looks like an uncomfortable seat, but I'm not a girl and I don't have to sit and do my makeup, so I don't know.
I mean, I'm gonna be on it for like a half hour, so I don't really care. I do feel like when we book an interior guaranteed room, you just don't know what you're getting, right?
Right.
And we could have roiled up and got something a little better, but we did put a bid in for Central Park, and it started at 150.
300 total.
So it'd been 300 total, and we just did the lowest bid and we didn't get it. We have before done interior and then roiled up with the lowest bid, and we've gotten balcony before. And then they were having a deal for the balcony room, and it was going to be $400 total, and we just didn't feel like it was worth it, and that was the lowest bid.
But
so,
it wasn't a real balcony.
Well,
Was
yeah, it's balcony. The Icon balcony, so you open the window all the way down.
Maybe we would like it, but for another $400, I didn't feel like it was worth it.
Like, we're here for the ship, and we are barely going to be in this room. Like, we've been in here actually way too long. I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
You ready to go? Oh, this is cute. The little tiki hut chairs.
Oh, yeah.
Thrill Island. Look at all this.
Oh.
Dang. Yes. Wow. I don't even know where to begin. Well, thank you for watching the room tour. Please like and subscribe to see further tours of Icon of the Seas that will be out soon. I will see you guys next time.